Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to recover your Bigo Live account. So in order to recover your Bigo Live account, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to install the application, and then what you need is open the app first thing. So in my case, I'm already logged in, so I'm going to quickly sign out of my account. Now, this is where it's gonna take you. So you'll be able to see different options that is sign in with your phone number or maybe Facebook or Google account. Now select the method whichever is convenient for you. Now then enter in your phone number associated with your account or in Bigo Live ID as well. And next, tap on the next button. Then it's gonna ask you to enter in your verification code. So it's going to ask you to enter in your verification code, which you have to enter in. And then you just need to go ahead and enter the verification code and then create a password. And you've successfully recovered your account. So this is the simplest way you could recover your account. And in some cases, if your account has been suspended, then you'll not be able to recover until the particular time period. And you could also contact the support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.